Hello everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Okay, so if you've ever had this brilliant light bulb idea for a mobile app, but then you felt instantly paralyzed by the thought of traditional coding, or maybe the headache of trying to find a technical co-founder, or just dealing with those endless development bottlenecks, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're diving deep into Ajath. It's this absolutely fascinating AI platform that is fundamentally changing how software is built. We're talking about turning your ideas into fully functional mobile apps in literally a matter of minutes. By the end of our time today, you're going to see exactly how this platform essentially acts as your very own personal digital engineering team.
So, I want to kick things off by asking you directly, what will you build? Seriously, hold that specific idea in your head as we step in to what Ajath calls the era of vibe coding. Now, what does that mean? It means zero traditional coding is needed. You aren't sitting there writing syntax. You are simply communicating your vision, your vibe. And the AI does all the heavy lifting to turn that concept into reality. So whether you're dreaming up a wellness journal, a robust job board, or a super complex business tool, that massive barrier to entry, it is completely vanished.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll welcome you to Vibe Coding, meet Maya 4, break down powering your app, explore how this all scales for teams, and finally, help you choose your plan.
Welcome to Vibe Coding Power Under the Hood.
Over 400. That is the actual number of active AI models you have right at your fingertips on the Ajath platform. To really wrap your head around how you can build a mobile app in minutes, you have to grasp the sheer incredible scale of the engine powering the whole thing. This isn't just one single AI struggling to do everything, it's a massive ecosystem. And this isn't just some theoretical concept either. This platform is already trusted by over 1 million global users who are actively bringing their ideas to life right now. You are tapping into a proven infrastructure right from day one.
What's truly fascinating to me is the diversity of the brainpower you get access to. Ajath pools together over 70 different AI providers. We're talking absolute heavyweights here. OpenAI's GPT-4o with its massive 88 billion tokens processed, Moonshot AI's Kimi K3, Meta's Mu Spark 1.1, and Quaypilot's CatCoder Air v2.5. Depending on what your app needs, whether it's super complex logic, stunning front-end design, or deep data processing, Ajath literally has the ultimate specialized AI model ready and waiting to handle it for you.
Section 2. Meet Maya 4, your digital workspace.
Now, with all of those incredible AI models running in the background, you obviously need a simple way to interact with them, right? Enter Maya 4. This is Ajath's proprietary intelligent workspace. Think of it like the central hub where your creativity actually comes to life. Instead of staring at, matrix-style lines of code that make your eyes cross, you're working on an infinite canvas. It lets you and your team explore and tweak designs completely visually. You just point, click, instruct, and boom, those visual tweaks are applied directly to your mobile app. It's designed so you can sequence incredibly complex tasks without ever losing sight of the big picture.
Maya 4 pulls this off using what they call parallel agents. Imagine having an entire tireless digital construction crew working for you all at the exact same time. One agent is handling your user authentication, another is setting up your database, and a third is designing your mobile interface, all seamlessly, all at once. Plus, it supports multiple artifacts. That means you can generate your mobile app, a companion web app, and even promotional video content entirely within the same project. Your team just submits requests in whatever order, and Maya 4 intelligently sequences and executes the whole shebang in the most optimal way.
Section 3. Powering your app. The builder's journey.
Okay, the absolutely crucial point here is how unbelievably simple this workflow actually is. It literally boils down to just 2 steps. Step 1, describe it. Step 2, publish it. Using their agent chat, you just type out what you want. You could literally say, make my idea come true. The AI agent takes your plain English description, writes the production-ready code, evolves it based on your feedback, and then completely stays out of your way. You are effectively the visionary product manager, and the AI is your tireless 24/7 engineering team.
But I know what you're thinking. What about all the messy back-end stuff? Because a mobile app isn't just pretty screens, right? It needs to actually work. Well, Ajath provides full-stack infrastructure with absolutely zero setup. Authentication for your users to log in securely, built in. A database to store your app's information, built in. Hosting and active monitoring, yep, all built in. This means you can build fully scalable apps easily and securely from day one, which lets you focus 100% of your mental energy on your app's design and user experience.
Furthermore, no mobile app exists in a vacuum. You need to connect to the outside world. Well, Ajath allows you to connect to over 100 integrations in minutes. Want to process payments in your new mobile app? Boom, connect to Stripe. Need to sync up with productivity tools? Hook up Google Workspace. Want to integrate even more specialized AI features? Connect directly to OpenAI APIs. It literally takes your app from a cool concept to a truly functional, commercial-ready product in no time.
Section 4, built for teams and serious scale.
Now, it's really easy to look at a tool where you just type commands and think, oh, that's just a prototyping toy. But real innovators are using this for serious builds. Take Vikram Singha, the founder of GetCrew. He says, Ajath has drastically reduced our time to market. Building the GetCrew platform would have taken months, but Maya 4 helps us launch in a fraction of the time. When you're a founder, speed is literally everything. Taking months of traditional development time and shrinking it down to a fraction of that gives you an unbelievable competitive advantage.
And here is another powerful endorsement, this time from Thierry Ishimwe-Leon, founder of Exabine. He highlights that with Ajath, they weren't just making cute mock-ups, they were able to deploy a robust, full-stack application. He literally calls the AI agent workflow truly game-changing for founders. This proves that serious, data-heavy, full-stack applications are being successfully built, iterated on, and deployed to the market right now using this exact platform.
And hey, as your app takes off, Ajath scales right alongside you. The Pro tier gives commercial builders access to the most powerful models and lets up to 10 parallel agents work for you simultaneously. But let's say your mobile app becomes a massive, viral success and you need to bring it to the corporate level. The Enterprise tier locks everything down with enterprise-grade security. We're talking SSO, SAML, SOC 2 compliance, custom privacy controls, single-tenant environments, and VPC peering that make absolutely sure your app is secure as it scales to millions of users.
Section 5. Choosing your plan. Start small, scale fast. Ajath's entire philosophy is start small, scale fast. And this pricing structure reflects that beautifully. You can jump in right now on the starter plan for absolutely free. And get this, it comes complete with 100,000 free tokens just to let you explore what's possible. Then, when you're ready to level up, the core plan unlocks unlimited workspaces for just $15 a month, and the Pro plan brings massive computing power and 10 parallel agents for $89 a month for those serious commercial builds. Which leaves us with one final, very important question. What are you waiting for? Seriously, we've just walked through a platform that gives you an infinite canvas, a fleet of the world's most powerful AI models, and a tireless digital construction crew of parallel agents ready to build a full-stack mobile app from just your plain English descriptions. The barriers to building the app of your dreams have literally never been lower, so take that spark of an idea we talked about at the very beginning of this explainer, grab those free tokens, and start vibe coding your future today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and honestly, I cannot wait to see what you build.